Welcome back to my channel. Okay, yeah, yes, I know. I know you guys will be like, what? Finally? So we're seeing a face? Yes, this is my face. This is my real face. So this is the face behind the voice you guys have been hearing so far on some of my videos. So the reason why I'm doing this is that I got some comments from some of you guys that's, baby girl, where are you? Where's your face? Let's see your face. Let's see the face behind the the voice on Beamish Corner. So that's the reason why I'm coming out here to show you guys. So today I'll be showing you how I make one of my easy breakfast recipe, which is the pancake. Okay, so let's get down into this video. So but before that, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click on the red button below. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. Thank you guys for always being there for me, to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank you guys. And without wasting much more time, let's get started for today's business. I hope you guys enjoy my watching. Alright, see you guys.
The ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe are the multipurpose flour, melted butter. I'll be using 2 eggs, granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of salt, a whole cup of milk, and finally the baking powder. I'll start by mixing the dry ingredients. First, I'll pour the salt into the flour, then the granulated sugar, and afterwards I'll be adding the baking powder and mix everything thoroughly together. Once I am done mixing, I am going to set this aside and proceed to the wet ingredients. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar into the milk. Then I am going to leave to settle for about 5 minutes. For the eggs, I am going to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. And the reason why I'm doing this is to make sure the pancake comes out more fluffy. And this is actually a method that you can use. This egg white will be added to the batter later on. So I am just going to whisk the yellow eggs together now because this is what I'm going to add to the flour now. So once I'm done with this, I am going to set it aside and proceed to add all the ingredients together. So I'll start by pouring in the buttermilk. You can see how thick it is now after letting it rest for about 5 minutes. So I'll be adding the egg yolks. Don't forget that I've already separated the egg whites from the yolk. So I'll be adding the yolk and also the melted butter and mix together. So once I am done mixing it, you can see here that I didn't over mix it. I am going to cover to rest for about 5 minutes, and the reason why I'm doing this is to make sure the ingredients integrate very well together. After about 5 minutes, I am now going to pour in the egg whites into the batter and mix together. Once I am done mixing, I can now proceed to start frying the pancake. So you can see here that I actually didn't over mix the pancake. So yeah, I'm showing you the lumps in the batter. And so now let's proceed to frying. So on a very low medium heat, so I'm going to place my pan and add about 2 teaspoons of my melted butter into the pan. So I am going to start pouring in the pancake little by little. And also you have to make sure that the oil or the butter you used is not too much, so your pancake will not come out too oily. So you are going to leave this to fry until you start seeing bubbles on top. Once you start seeing bubbles and little holes on top of the pancake, then that is the time for you to flip over. So you can see here that is already has some bubbles. So I'm going to flip it over, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, don't be scared to flip your pancake over. So, and once you flip it over, you don't need to wait for long before you take it out of the pan. So I am going to continue with the same procedure until when I am done frying the batter. So yes, and that's it for today's recipe. So you can see how it's looking like. You can top your pancake with maple syrup or honey. I actually top it with honey mixed with ginger. So with my fried sausage. So that is how I am going to download my own pancake. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click on the like button, and I would also like to hear from you guys. Thank you all, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.